काय म्हणतात त्याला?
जंगली भैसा, म्हणजे थोडक्यात आपली गावठी म्हैस घरी आपण सांभाळतो ती म्हैस, तशी ही जंगली म्हैस.
अच्छा,
झूम कर, येते का फोटो?
हा येते येते. बघा ना कशी भेटली आपल्याला.
त्यांचे बच्चे पण येतात.
मी फर्स्ट टाइम बघितले. बायसन म्हणतात का सगळं?
बायसन बोलतो.
जास्त
काय
मेल
नशिबाने
बायसन.
तुम्हाला युट्यूबला टाकायला काय खरंच नशिबाने तुम्ही. मी कालच बोललो ना, मला वाटतं तुम्हाला की खरंच बघायचं म्हटलं की नाही दिसत, पण असं.
We are at the elephant point now, and apart from that there are a couple of other points that we will be watching, and the route over here is just from behind me. The car parking area is just besides there, so your driver will guide you which way to go. कुठे? दिसलं. The viewpoint that you are seeing is the elephant's head. As you can see, it's in the shape of the elephant, and there is a small opening, so it's even called as a needle hole viewpoint. Apart from that, there is a small water body over there, which is a spring, which is known as a vulture's water spring. Previously we were at the elephant's point, and now here it's the Kate's point. It's all connected. You just have to walk couple of minutes, and for the Kate's elephant's head is 1277 meters above the sea level. And this place during the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj time was called as a Naked. From this viewpoint you can have a view of the Krishna Valley and even the fort, but it's not quite visible because of the fog. And there is even the Balkawadi Dam, which you can see. And there's a small waterfall. Right now it's not the rainy season, so it's not that big enough. If you're a movie fanatic, you can click photos over there, but the charges for that is 20 rupees per person. So you can have the photograph at the bike, which was from the scene of the Golmaal, and then there is a Three Idiots movies seat over there. From this viewpoint you can see the dam over there. We are currently at the Echo Point, so let's try it out. Hello! Very small. We are going to the Mountain View Strawberry Garden. This is the organic farming, as you can see. But currently, this year, it was almost raining for 6 months. Usually at this time, the strawberries are ready, but it might take another 15 to 20 days for them to grow. So as you can see, it's just the flowers have started to come now. So this is the strawberry garden. I'm not pretty sure. They might be giving you the time to pluck the strawberries by yourself and take it with you, but it's not currently available now. You can even try the strawberry whipped cream over here. This is just the extension part of the strawberry garden.
मिल्कशेक में ये वाला अच्छा रहेगा, क्रीम में अपना क्रीम रहेगा, स्ट्रॉबेरी का पीसेस रहेगा, आइसक्रीम रहेगा, क्रश टॉपिंग सब रहेगा, ये वाला है।
तो उसमें मिल्कशेक नहीं रहेगा सिर्फ?
मिल्कशेक में ग्रैंड होके आएगा, इसमें पीस आएगा।
अच्छा,
इसमें स्ट्रॉबेरीज के पीसेस आएंगे। अच्छा, तेज कैसे दो स्ट्रॉबेरी विद क्रीम?
ये दो, ये एक क्यों कर दो? ये दो कर दो स्ट्रॉबेरी विद क्रीम।
It's actually very nice, 150 rupees for per glass. It's very reasonable and it's too delicious if you mix everything very well. So, the flowers will turn into the fruit. This is the Arthur Point guide rates. So for 2 to 4 people it will be 200 rupees, and for a group of more that will be 300 rupees, and all these points will be covered. When you come here to view the Arthur's Point, there are multiple points that you can see, like this one. This is the hunting point. During the British Raj, the British officers used to come over here to hunt the animals. Way too beautiful. This is the Malcolm Point, and you can see that how steep the mountains are over here, and couple of people are over there. So that's the Arthur's Seat. That's where we are going to go. This is a tiger spring point. The wild animals used to come over here to drink the water, and this water is drinkable since it's cool and it's natural. There are a lot of small shops where you can eat Maggi or boiled corn, such things. This is the Echo Point in such a very beautiful valley. Currently we are at the Arthur's Seat viewpoint, and this is the river Savitri. Right now there is no water, but what happened is like Sir Arthur's wife and child was drowned in this river, and he used to come over here and sit and view and stare at the river Savitri. And there's the seating that you can just have a look and enjoy the view. We just got the fridge magnet from over here saying I love Mahabaleshwar. So don't worry about, there are a lot of UPI payments if you want to purchase any bags or some sort of a toys. This is the Panchaganga Mandir in the old Mahabaleshwar. It is very old, devoted to the Lord Shiva. And this was been built in 1862. This is how the rivers are: Saraswati, Gayatri, Savitri and Koina. So all the 5 rivers come together and meet here. Even this is my first time to visit this temple, and I didn't knew that this temple belongs to Lord Krishna and not Lord Shiva. And the idol is very beautiful. It stands with Krishna in the center, and Rukmini and Satyabhama, the wife of Krishna's, besides him. This is a second temple that we are visiting, which belongs to the Lord Shiva. This is the Sri Mahabaleshwar Mandir, and the entrance for this is from over here. But right now it's evening and it's like 6 o'clock, so there is not much rush. So we are going to go and take the blessings. Now the most famous thing about this temple is that the Lord Shiva is in the form of a Rudraksha, and that was being self-formed, so not a human. This is the backside view of the Sri Mahabaleshwar Mandir. On 6th January 1665, our king Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj donated the gold equal to his mother's weight in front of this temple. ट्रिप आता झालेली आहे आजची, आणि द फर्स्ट अँड द फॉरमोस्ट थँक्यू संदीप दादाला, कारण की ते ट्रिपमध्ये होते. त्यांनी आम्हाला खूप छानपणे फिरवलं, प्रत्येक जागा दाखवली, त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती पण दाखवली. आणि द बेस्ट पार्ट आम्हाला जे आवडलं की ते खूप अकॉमोडेट करतात. असं नाही आहे की तुम्हाला 9चा टायमिंग दिला आणि मग तुम्ही या, कुठे गडबड काहीच नाही. मस्त माणूस, आणि खरंच खूप छान फिरवलं. युजली मी आणि सिद्धार्थ खूप ट्रिपचे प्लॅनिंग करतो की अमुक वेळेला इकडे जायचं आहे, पण ही ट्रिपची आयटनरी संदीप दादानी केली आहे. तर एवढंच असेल की कधी तुम्ही महाबळेश्वरला येतात तर ह्यांच्याशी कॉन्टॅक्ट करा. डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये मी ह्यांचा नंबर आणि ह्यांचा कॉन्टॅक्ट डिटेल्स देईन. सो प्लीज फील फ्री, आणि ते खूप मस्त माणूस आहे, छान फिरवतील तुम्हाला, रिगार्डलेस 1 दिवसाची ट्रिप असून दे किंवा 3 दिवसाची असून दे.
आवडलं मला पण तुमच्या दोघांबरोबर फिरून, समाधान वाटलं. तुम्ही आपली माणसं, चांगलं वाटलं, बरं वाटलं. आणि खरं म्हटलं तर तुम्ही दोघं पण छान आहे माणसं, चांगले आहेत तुम्ही दोघं पण. त्यामुळे मला अजून मजा वाटली फिरवायला तुम्हाला. आणि आपल्या माणसांना फिरवण्यात खूप आनंद आहे, मजा आहे. तुमच्यासारखी सगळीच भेटतात असं नाही. आठवण येईल तुमची मला नेहमीच.
आम्हाला पण
नक्कीच येणार. आणि युजली ट्रिपमध्ये आम्ही दोघंच असतो, आणि आमच्या बरोबरचे कॅब ड्रायव्हर्स, म्हणजे तिथेही आम्ही जेव्हा फिरतो ना तेव्हा झालं पेमेंट झालं, पण असे संबंध कधी असे बनले नाहीत, कधीच नाही.
मी काय स्वतः तुम्हाला बोलतो की मी तिथला तिथं विषय सोडून देतो, मी एवढा डीप मध्ये जात नाही. पण आपलं कसं मलाच कळलं ना की आपण कसं एवढं डीप मध्ये गेलो, एकमेकाचे विचार, एकमेकाला बोलणं चालणं कसं जमलं आणि कसं झालं, हेच महत्वाचं आहे ना.